Welcome back everyone. So in the previous video we discussed the different keywords of technology by understanding the example of a smartwatch. Today we will learn about machine learning, the different types of machine learning by understanding the example of a autonomous vehicle. Ritu recently bought a new car for her birthday. She isn't that tech savvy person, but she bought the new car hoping to eliminate the chances of accidents and to have a safer road experience. While Ritu's car had modern expensive features like gesture and voice recognition, paddle shifters, air purifiers, airbags, and so on, she still missed out on one important feature. Can you guess which one that could be? Let's know more about it. One day, while driving her car to work, Ritu suddenly felt dizzy and unconscious. She hit a garbage can as her eyes shut and she couldn't measure the accurate distance where it was placed. Getting drowsy at the wheel at some point is not something we like to admit, but it's a very crucial problem with serious consequences that needs to be addressed. After this traumatic experience, Ritu visited the showroom. The engineer over there explained to her about some advanced technologies in a car as driver distraction and driver drowsiness continues to increase in frequency. Driver assistance systems are becoming more prevalent. It has become a necessity instead of a luxury. He explained to her about driver attention warning, which is an advanced driver assistance system. ADAS monitors driver's eye and head movements for signs of drowsiness or distraction. If a possible danger is detected, driver attention warning will alert drivers to take action. This could include anything from blinking their eyes more frequently as an attempt to focus back on the road ahead, moving their head to refocus their eyes, or pulling over until the driver is fully awake again. The engineers further explained her different features of the cars that were involved using machine learning. But first, let's understand what machine learning is and how it is a technological revolution. To begin with, machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science which focuses on the use of data and algorithms to imitate the way the humans learn and gradually improve their accuracy. The learning system of a machine learning algorithm can be classified into three main parts. The first part is decision process. In machine learning, algorithms are used to make prediction or classification based on some input data which can be labeled or unlabeled. The second part would be an error function. An error function serves to evaluate the prediction of the model. If there are known examples, an error function can make a comparison to assess the accuracy of the model. And the third part would be model optimization process. If the model can fit better to the data point in the training set, then weights are adjusted to reduce the discrepancy between the known example and the model estimate. The algorithm will repeat this evaluate and optimize process, updating weights autonomously until a threshold of accuracy has been met. Furthermore, machine learning can be divided into three different categories. The first one would be supervised machine learning. Supervised machine learning is defined by its use of labeled datasets to train algorithms that to classify data or predict outcomes accurately. As input data is fed into the model, it adjusts to weight until the model has been fitted appropriately. Supervised learning helps organizations solve a variety of real-world problems at scale, such as classifying spam in a separate folder from your inbox. The second kind of machine learning is unsupervised machine learning. Unsupervised machine learning uses machine learning algorithms to analyze and cluster unlabeled datasets. These algorithms discover hidden patterns or data groupings without the need for human intervention. Its ability to discover similarities and differences in information make it the ideal solution for explorating data analysis, cross-selling strategies, customer segmentation, image and pattern recognition. And the third kind of machine learning is Semi-supervised machine learning. Semi-supervised machine learning offers a happy medium between supervised and unsupervised learning. During training, it uses a smaller labeled dataset to guide classification and feature extraction from a larger unlabeled dataset. Semi-supervised learning can solve the problem of having not enough labeled data or train a supervised learning algorithm. Besides this, the other ways in which machine learning is used in a modern car are as follows. The first one would be parking assistance. It's one thing to find a parking spot in a crowded mall and quite another to be able to successfully maneuver your way into the vacant slot. However, with the park assistance system fitted in a modern cars, you never have to worry about the inconvenience anymore. The system uses a combination of sensors, cameras and radars and so on. The second feature is reverse assist. Imagine you are at a straight intersection and you mistakenly take a left instead of a right. Where the road allows, you may be able to reverse, which can be a challenge on a narrow street with little wiggle room. That's where the reverse assistant comes in. The system memorizes your steering adjustments while driving forward as long as the speed is below a particular limit. At the touch of the bottom, the system takes over and moves the car backwards along the exact same route you took while moving forward for a preset distance. The next kind of feature is adaptive cruise control. First, we had cruise control where you would just set a particular speed limit and take your foot off the gas. This is quite useful for long drives but very impractical in busy areas that required frequent stopping and acceleration. That's where adaptive cruise control comes in. The system utilizes a system of radars to calculate the speed of the vehicle ahead of you. Once activated, your car will automatically slow down or speed up to match the vehicle. It was first installed in luxury cars like the Benz S-Class. The next feature is autonomous driving. The ultimate form of autonomous driving would be to get into your car, tell it where you want to go and close your eyes for a nap. We are not quite there yet, but we do have pretty advanced autonomous driving systems in cars like Tesla, Audi, BMW and Mercedes-Benz. Once activated, an intelligent system takes over and can help with scouting for parking spaces, moving out of tight spots or even taking over the wheel for you when there's a traffic jam. The next feature is blind spot warning. There's this section behind the driver that cannot be covered by the rear view or side mirror. That's the blind spot, and being unaware of that can lead to disastrous consequences. It's one of the reasons why the shoulder check component of driving lessons is extremely important. However, most cars today have a camera or sensor system that can check your blind spot for you. If it detects another car in the zone, it will alert you with an audio tone, warning light or a combination of both. So, in today's video, we discussed what machine learning is and what are the different categories of machine learning. We further discussed how machine learning is involved in autonomous vehicles and how it has made human life easier. All of you can take this quiz here.